Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a flip story in TikTok. So first up, you just need to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Here on your profile page, tap on the plus sign at the profile picture. Then it opens the camera roll. So tap on camera. And then from here, just need to tap on the blue dot so you can take a photo or you can upload two photos here. And then once done, you can stretch or shrink to change your photo size, as you can see here. And then you can add text stickers, filters, and even change the settings on your story to post it. So as you can see, when you're going to post this story, and we have the blue ring around the profile photo. So if you're going to add a comment on someone's profile or someone's account, for example, here we're going to type a comment. So once done, as you can see, when you post a story, it shows up in their people comments because of the blue ring around the profile photo. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.